Hello,
So,
sir. Good afternoon.
good afternoon.
Yeah, how is your day, sir?
It's quite productive day for me. Since morning, I was involved in many assignments, and also wanted to talk with you, sir, for the last 1 month, I guess, right? So, so after all, like we just connected, and I hope that it would be very fruitful session for our listeners also. So, sir, first of all, let me like start with my brief introduction. As you know
Yeah,
already, that I am Ranjit Kumar Gupta. I am from Faridabad, and I'm working professionals, working in one of MNC companies as a senior software engineer. So I have to work with the different projects, electronic or embedded system projects I am looking for, and also I'm leading the team. I have total 20 members in my team, and you know that I'm just busy with them. And along with, I have lots of hobbies. You can say that I am fond of reading storybooks, and also watching good movies. Recent movie I'm just waiting for to watch, and also one of the favorite hobbies to interact with the people like you, and learn something from like our interaction to each other. So that's all from my side. So can you please introduce yourself
yeah,
for the
definitely, sir. Yeah, your great introduction. Yeah, nice introduction. I'm very happy with your introduction. And also, yeah, my turn. Yeah, my name is Mohan. I'm from Andhra Pradesh. Coming to my educational qualification, I completed my degree uh, on geoinformatics, and also I am working in non-IT professional. I'm parallelly with I improve my communication day by day with English on YouTubers and also some of the co-learners. I speak with them and I polish my English. And also I recently started my YouTube channel, a tiny YouTube channel. That name is at the rate daily English practice. Whatever my daily English practice, I posted that English content only. And also recently I start one-to-one conversation also. Yeah, this conversation helped me a lot to improve my communication skills. And also my hobbies are reading books. I read those books like Wise and Otherwise, 3000 Stitches, Attitude is Everything, Compound Effect. This kind of books I read. Yeah, this is my hobby, sir. In free time, I play with my kids, and also I enjoy with my some of the nature. Yeah, this is pretty much about me, sir.
That's very quite good, interesting introduction you have. Like you are also fond of the people like who loves or care your family. That's a great thing to hear, sir. And also, sir, I just wanted to know that you actually are working as a uh, geo like geo.
Geoinformatics.
Okay, okay, geomatics. Okay. So, could you please tell us about your work, like which kind of work you are doing? As I'm already mentioned that I'm working as a software engineer, so I have to work with the projects. So we
Yes,
have
sir.
projects and assignments have to complete within the time frame with the team involvement of the team, obviously. So, what's your work? I already actually aware about your work in previous video, like we actually interacted with you, but I just wanted to more exploration because
Definitely, sir. Yeah, I will
interesting subject.
explain my work. Yeah, currently I'm working in as a geologist, senior geologist. It kind of work is, yeah, we are finding some minerals. Yeah, we have some of the data, like the 20 years back, 30 years back data is available for mining data. This mining data available in the some of the exploration companies. The exploration companies, what they are doing, the every time in this field, two-person mainly work. One person is geologist, the second person is geophysics. First person, geophysics, do the some of the surveys. They are using some technical knowledge and they are using some technical information like some surveys, magnetic survey, sustainable survey, and magnetic survey and seismic survey. This type of surveys, they are finding some areas where it is available the minerals. That time, the geologist went to the field. The geologist do the drilling. Then they collect the core material. The core material send it to the lab. The lab give the analysis, like in this area this much of quantity gold is available, this much of copper is available, this much of coal is available, this much of quantity is available, this is much of quantity is available. They give the some information. Yeah, if your less data is available, less commodity is available, now that time they don't explore the areas, but they store the data. Now the time, sir, gold value is very high. Yeah, now the reason the commodity value is very high, every exploration company they search for new minerals, new areas, but we have the data, but we can't find out easily but what they are doing. But the exploration companies, they give the data to me. We are, as a geologist, we find out some data, we are cleansing the data, and we structurize the data as a SQL database. We are using some cloud AI tools and also copilot. Yeah, we are using some technical softwares. We structurize the data as a SQL database. The exploration company that easily identify the minerals, and also as well as locations wise. We are finding the location also. Yeah, easily they get the information. They can easily they explore the minerals without any surveys, without any drilling. Yeah, this is my work, sir.
That's great, sir. That's great to know. Like, as you know that if I summarize your work, like you are working as a geologist, right? So as per your like says, like geologist work is to collect data. I mean, they just get data from the survey side, because the geophysics provide the survey data to you, right? Based on
This,
that data, you just go to that place and like dig out all these places where the materials or minerals or some kind of commodities are available or not. If you are
this,
finding less commodity, then you are not wasting your time there, because like you will waste your money, time, everything. So you
yeah,
want the good quantity of commodities, like so that you can explore that places. So up to now that I can understand that you are just searching for the minerals and many kind of elements, as you already told that like the gold is very precious like element, right?
right, sir.
It's very costly. So you know that like the more than the mostly, I mean, the most costlier elements is like plutonium, germanium, and
Titanium.
zirconium. These kinds of materials or the elements has also been found in different areas. So you are also going to explore these things. So that's a very great thing, sir. So you know that this times like uranium is very, the precious things.
This,
Actually, in this like it is used for the nuclear plants, for the
plant.
nuclear reactors they have been using, right? Even for the nuclear bomb, uranium has been used. So you are like working on these kinds of
The
exploration
uranium, thorium also they are
thorium
using
also,
on nuclear.
for the nuclear, yes. So that's a really great things you are doing, sir. And like, could you please give us idea, like, have you recently found any minerals kind of, or in which place have you uh, gone through? Can you
Yeah,
please?
we are working mostly Australian US projects, sir. Maybe in India, we are working around 2016 to 2018 in India. We are working, yeah, West Bengal in Kolkata and Jaipur in Rajasthan, and also Hyderabad in Telangana. We are working on three places. Yeah, we are finding some minerals in sir. KGF is already now that time it is reopened. The some of the gold mines is available in the KGF, Kolar Goldfield.
Yeah, yeah, Kolar.
Yeah, it is also reopened again, and also we find out some Kurgu district. Some of the areas we find out are some minerals.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's it. So
Oh, that's great. And sir, you already mentioned your work already, and I just wanted to let's explore my work. Like what I'm doing is,
yes, sir.
uh,
I am also waiting for your kind of work.
yes, sir. Actually, sir, I'm working as a the senior software engineer, like we have to work on the development and the testing activities for the electronic and embedded system devices. So we are working for the automotive domain, right? So in automotive domain, sir, like we have to work for the electrical and electronic part of the vehicle. So as you already know that, like in car or vehicle, there are many electronic gadgets. The gadgets includes IPC, electronic instrument panel cluster, as you know, as the meters in which the speedometer, fuel gauge, as tachometer, different kinds of meter has been seen there, right?
Right.
So actually, which is in front of the driver, you can see the meter that we actually developed those, right? So we actually developed for the like high end car like Jeep, Mercedes, Audi. So these kinds of company we are working for. So recently, I have been completed one project for the Audi, right? And Audi actually the model is J25, right? So that model we have been work. So not only for the IPC, not only for the IPC, we also work for their infotainment system. Infotainment system is the system which provide the information and uh, you know uh, you know uh, they will actually give you provide you some the information and the automation things, right? So this is called the infotainment system. So infotainment means the information plus entertainment. So entertainment, like in car, you have been listening some music, some videos, kind of things, and for the video there is one display is there. So we are
Mm.
working for the interfacing to the infotainment systems to that LCDs, which has been
Okay.
installed in the dashboard. Have you seen? So we are working for them, sir. And also we have been work for the powertrain, which actually control the engine of the system, right? So the powertrain is also the ECUs, electronic control units, and after that telematics. So these 4 or 5 major issues that we have been working at. Actually, this is our working area. So in which, sir, we
Okay.
are working for the hardware design, as well as the software design also. So after
Okay.
completing the development activities, our team is also looking for the testing system or validation testing activities also, right? So, sir, we have the different team, like the development team, system teams, and the acceptance teams. Right? So these teams involves, throughout the systems, and we are working through because we are following the agile methodology, which is a globally recognized system, agile methodology.
Agile method. Okay.
Yeah, we are following on for the software systems. So we are
No.
working on that, sir. So totally you can say that we have more than 30 people are working in our domain, like automotive domain. So in this way, what, sir,
Okay.
I'm working as an assistant manager, you can say, and also involved in the technical technicalities, right? So this is our area of work, sir. So
Oh, thank
sometimes,
you, sir.
yes, sir. Yeah, go ahead, sir.
And also, I have one question, sir. Yeah, how did you get your first job? Where it is?
Yes, sir. Actually, since I have total 10 plus years of working experience in technical field, sir, and also I got got the chance to work on many different electronics projects, sir. And since beginning, sir, I just wanted to work in the electronic system. Actually, it was my area of interest since my childhood, because one of my uncle was working in like BSNL, like Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited,
Birth and settlement.
as a senior most positions there. So I used to visit that exchange room. Initially, it was the telephonic conversation was there with the telephone. So we often visit to the exchange office, telephones exchange office, because they are working there. They are just
Yes.
leading in charge there at our hometown. So, sir, the work was very interesting to see me, because whenever you go there in the exchange, there were many panel rooms are there, right? So, sir, I visited each and every panel room at our class 10th period, right? So I was interested to know that how the sensor works, how the data transfer packet and the frame transfer from one section to other sections. So I just interested to know like how to do it, right? Then after initially I wanted to do any technical degrees. So I just After 12th, I went for the preparation for an engineering, and I got selected in engineering, and got admission in like one of good college in West Bengal. So I just done BTech from there in electronics and communication. Then after I got selected in one of the telecommunication companies, as I wanted to like do work in that company. So
Yeah.
that company name was like NS Switch and Services Limited, which is based on Gurgaon. So my
Okay.
first job was in Gurgaon, and I was placed from my colleges that day, right? That time.
Okay.
So initially it was very interesting for me to work at that company, but after that, like the work was very exhausting because you know that they provide some survey works to me, and I had to go to the different exchanges like throughout the world, throughout the India, right? Throughout the North and South India, I visited that day. So I
Yeah.
just completed 1.5 year there. Then after I switched to that research and development to the embedded system projects in other
Yeah.
companies. So
Very nice, sir.
it was really good for me, sir. So it was
Yeah.
good experience because I learned a lot from there. Because at initial phase, I just learned how the system works. So it is very important, right? So
Right.
since you understand the system, then after you have to go with the flow because the process has been made, right? So in R&D systems, in electronic and the software systems, there are many like you know uh, you can say that the system has been standardized, so we have to follow them, right? That is called the agile methodology, SDLC process, STLC process, B2Bs, like
Okay.
verification and validation, B2B systems. So these systems has come across while working with us, and then we followed them, and we just move ahead
Okay, sir.
to
Yeah,
other
very nice.
also.
Yeah, and
Yes.
also one more question, sir. Yeah, what kind of most important skills in software engineer?
Sir, I guess for every software engineer, they need to have good, the communication skills first. Then after their, the computer skills. Computer skills, I'm talking about their language, right? They should know about the computer language like C,
Okay.
Java, right? And these days, Python and others are a scripting language, kind of CAPL, which is been used in the automotive domain, right? So these kinds of tools is very important. I mean, the language is very important to know each and every person's, means every like software engineers. And also like, so you know that these days for everything there is applications, right? So
Okay.
so actually we can learn like using it in daily life, like so we actually come across when we work on the projects, right? So we got to know about many process systems, and like which systems refers to which tools. And after that, like many simulation tools, like we for the automotive domain we are using the Simulink, right? MATLAB. Then after Canalizer, and for the UDS purposes, we have been worked on the Dynalizer tool. So there are so many tools. So actually, it depends on your project, in which projects and what demands
Okay.
as per
Yes,
the
sir.
demand
Really,
have been used.
really good,
Some
sir.
tools
And
has been
also,
managed
sir,
by the company, and some tools has been provided by the clients also, sir. So
this
the
is
most important is in our projects, we need to interact with the clients and suppliers, right?
okay.
As we
Right.
are as we are working as a middleman, right? So actually we got the information like about the requirement because they provide the requirement to us, and we have to analyze their requirement, and based on that requirement we are making the systems, right? We are working
Right.
as per the TP, like test plan, and our the work plan, and end of the day we have to provide the status. So this is our
Okay.
work package, you can say.
They are really good, sir. And also one more question. Yeah, in BTech students, whatever they are completing their 12th standard, then they choose in BTech everyone. Yeah, which engineering branches have good future opportunities?
So sir, I actually prefer electrical civil and mechanical, right? So these
Yes.
three branches are the mother of all branches.
CSE.
Mother of all branches, because all other branches which has been emerged out from these three branches. As you
Okay.
can see that the electronics come from the electrical, communication is also come from the electrical department, right? Some other actually engineering, if you are talking about the computer, which also comes from the electronics or electrical, and IT itself, the same as the software. If you're talking about the mechanical is also the our evergreen branches. But if you talk about or in perspective of the job, so right now in India, like you can get the job in government sector as well as the private sector if you do actually engineering from these branches, mechanical, civil, chemical also is the very evergreen branches, and you can get the government job after completing the BTech from this domain, these branches. But yes, if you are like completed BTech from electronics, computer, IT, and one other branch is like electronics and electrical, then you can get the like you have the more chance to get the private job, right? Because the MNCs is provided, MNC is providing the good job for the ITs or electronics people, right? And
Right.
nowadays everybody wants to work in the MNC company, right? Multinational company. I mean, I'm talking about the foreigner company, which comes in India and they provide the job to the people, to the engineers. So, sir, it depends on your choice, like in which sector you want to go. Maybe if you want interested to go to the government sector, then you should choose electrical or mechanical department, I would say. If you
Okay.
are interested in IT or software, if you have interest in your in the language, programming language, then you can choose computer or IT department and also ECU. So this is my perspective. Actually, I'm
Yes,
from
sir.
mechanical. I was interested in electronic systems.
Yeah, you have the experience. That's why you know how they are taking the groups. Then only they success. And also many people, yes, sir, many people now that time whenever when they are completing their BTech in mechanical side also, chemical side also they are completing, but they choose the IT field. Why, sir? It is any uh,
Because sir,
thing?
the region is sir like the government job is very limited, sir. But the person is the candidate is very high, right? The high amount of like candidate is coming out from the colleges every year, and the government is not going to produce that much job for them. So, sir, for every like students, there is a challenge for getting job first. So they are going to the IT or electronics sector because these days MNC companies providing these such types of job to everyone, every engineers. Actually, uh, even chemical engineer or mechanical engineer candidate can get job in IT sectors right now. So actually, the IT people only, I mean, IT company only sees your potential in you, and sir, they will learn you something in their training period, right? So that you can learn from there, and after that ultimately you can work, right, well based on their training. So it is not so rocket science to do there. But yes, actually the our branch is like the branch is branch, sir. If you have done BTech from chemical, then you should choose chemical, mechanical kind of things. So I just suggest to everyone. So if you have interest in any domain or any sector, then only you should choose them there. Yes, it will take some time. Just have patience, and you will get, definitely you will get your ambitions whatever you have.
Oh, very
So
nice, sir. You are giving lot of information about whoever they complete the BTech students. Yeah, they don't aware of now. Still, they are don't aware in BTech students. Yeah, which branches weightage, which branch will I completed, and then it will opportunities more. Yeah, they don't aware still, but the people are nowadays they are educated. Yeah, it is very nice, sir. Your information give a lot of people there and they are inspired. Yes, sir. You have any questions in your side?
Yes, sir. Actually, I just wanted to know about the weather condition at your side, sir. You're from Kerala, right? Andhra, sir.
Andhra, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
could you
Here it
please
is.
tell us what
Yeah,
the weather
yeah,
condition?
it is. Yeah, it is very
Actually,
high,
I'm
sir. Now at
talking
that time.
to geologist. You're geologist, sir. So
Yes, sir.
in such way, like what was the the condition of the weather there, and what would be the condition of the monsoon when the monsoon will arrive? Could you please describe on that?
Yeah, maybe June second week. The monsoon will coming soon. Yeah, some of the they said yeah in second week or third week monsoon is really come. Yeah, now the time also it is not more heat and not more any temperature high. Yeah, it is a little bit high. Yeah, temperature like 30 to 33 degrees Celsius. Yeah, it is okay, sir. Now the time. Yeah, compared to 10 days or 15 days back, it is very high. Yeah, now it is okay.
That's great, sir. Nice to talk with you, sir. You have provided nice information to us. So
Yeah,
that's a great day, sir. That's a great day ahead. Thank you.
okay, sir. Yeah, sir. Can I wind up our meeting?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, sir. You are giving lot of information. Yeah, I'm also happy with your conversation. Yeah, you give lot of information. Yeah, we will discuss. Yeah, next time. Yeah, in one good topic. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you a lot.
Yeah.